Today on Make Shape Create, we're making an ingrain cutting board with a bunch of different kinds of wood. Hey guys, I'm Corey, this is Make Shape Create, and today we're gonna make an ingrain cutting board. So I've seen a lot of people do this, and they usually have a lot more tools that we don't have, such as planers and joiners and stuff like that. But I wanted to try it. So we're gonna try it by starting with pen blanks. Now I got a lot of these, it was like 35 of them or something like that, on Facebook Marketplace. I think they were like $20 or $30. They weren't real expensive. They're offcuts. Obviously, I'll leave a link in the description down below to the people I got it from. But we're gonna start with them. Each one is about like 3/4 of an inch by 3/4 of an inch, give or take. Probably about 5 inches long. So we're gonna cut these down. Try to start with some flat faces on either side. Maybe cut them in half or cut them in thirds, and then start gluing them up. Go from there. All right, we got all these cut down to 2-inch lengths. I also, just for a little more pop color, had some leftover Pedalt. Also found a couple pieces of Purple Heart from when we did the mallet video. That'll be linked up here. But I thought these would add a pop of color. So I cut them down to the same size. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. All right, so to glue this up, we're gonna use Type-On 3, just because it is waterproof. It's actually for exterior, but that's why, because it's waterproof. So we're gonna use that, seeing how this is a cutting board and it's gonna be subject to liquids and washing and all that good stuff. This thing is a mess. So the biggest mistake I've made is that I assumed these pen blanks were square. I don't know why I assumed that, because they're pen blanks. They don't need to be square, because you're going to turn them. But I did. They're not. They weren't. So, yeah. I'm making it work though. Yeah, this just has to glue up. I'm going to let it glue up overnight. Probably take it to work with me tomorrow and plane and do whatever I'm going to do to it. And then tomorrow evening we can sand it, finish it, and all that good stuff. All right, so we got it square on the sides. I didn't put it through the planer because it is ingrain and it'll probably chip out. I was gonna do it on here, but that scared the shit out of me. So we're just gonna take it home, sand it down the best we can. It'll just take a little while, but that's all we gotta do. This is so cool. It's a little smaller than I wanted, but that's okay. As you saw, it worked. I am super happy with this. I love how this looks. I wish the Purple Heart would pop a little more. It's funny, the cedars actually pop like you would think the Purple Heart would, but those are cedar. Those are the Purple Heart, which is weird, but that's okay. All in all, love it. Need to make a bigger one down the road. Next time I will just buy wood and shore it up myself. But anyway, we made another one of these a while back. There'll be a playlist up here for that. Not playlist, the actual video. What am I talking about? Woodworking video, or videos, playlist, whatever you want to call it. I can't talk and forgive me. That'll be down there. woodwork or cutting board, I'll be up there. Subscribe here. I'm leaving because I can't talk. See you later. Bye.